Imagine if you could cut your watering and trimming time in half. What would you do with all that extra time? Picture yourself finishing your chores quickly and efficiently, with energy left over to actually enjoy the beauty you've created. Instead of spending hours wrestling with tangled hoses or struggling with dull shears, you could be soaking up the sun, listening to the birds, or simply unwinding in your own green oasis. That's more time to relax, to read a book under the shade of your favorite tree, or to share laughter with friends and family in your backyard. Your garden should be a place of joy, not just another item on your to-do list. Too often, we get lost in endless chores, watering, trimming, weeding, and forget the peace and satisfaction our gardens are meant to bring. The joy of gardening can sometimes get buried under the weight of routine maintenance, leaving us feeling more exhausted than fulfilled. But it doesn't have to be that way. The right tools can completely transform your gardening experience, turning what once felt like a chore into a genuine pleasure. With smart, innovative equipment, you can reclaim your time and rediscover the simple joys of being outdoors. Today, I want to introduce you to 2 tools that are changing the way people garden, making it easier, faster, and a lot more enjoyable for everyone, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out. The first is the Pocket Hose Copper Head, a lightweight, flexible hose that expands and contracts with ease, making watering your plants a breeze instead of a battle. The second is the DEWALT Cordless Shears, a powerful battery-operated tool that lets you trim hedges and shape bushes with precision and minimal effort. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're real solutions to the most common frustrations we all face outdoors. No more fighting with heavy kinked hoses or struggling to get a clean cut with old manual shears. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your garden more beautiful. With these tools, you'll find yourself working smarter, not harder. That means more time to make memories, whether it's a family barbecue, a quiet morning coffee, or an evening spent watching the sunset in your backyard sanctuary. Let's take a closer look at what makes these tools so special and how they can fit seamlessly into your gardening routine. You'll see how a few simple upgrades can make a world of difference in your outdoor life. Think of this as a friendly chat over the garden fence, neighbors sharing tips and stories to help each other bring more calm and less chaos to our outdoor spaces. After all, gardening is about community as much as it is about plants. So let's discover together how a flexible hose and a powerful trimmer can help you create a garden that's not just beautiful, but truly a retreat, a place where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy every moment. I'm Joanna Gaines, and turning a house into a home extends right into the garden. The garden is where life happens. Kids play, friends gather, and we find quiet moments. A well-tended garden brings peace, but it takes the right tools to keep it thriving. This summer, with Prime Day around the corner, everyone's looking for ways to make garden care easier. The Pocket Hose Copperhead and DEWALT Cordless Shears are solving real problems for gardeners. Technology is making once daunting tasks effortless, empowering more people to enjoy their gardens. Imagine a hose that never kinks and shears that cut with a button. Simple but revolutionary. These tools make gardening accessible and less physically demanding for everyone. A good tool should feel like an extension of your hand, reliable, sturdy, and satisfying to use. The Pocket Hose and DEWALT Shears embody this, letting you focus on nurturing your plants, not fighting your equipment. Be honest, have you ever found yourself locked in a battle with a garden hose that seems to have a mind of its own? You pull and tug, only to find it hopelessly kinked, twisted, or snagged on something yet again. What should be a simple task, watering your plants, suddenly turns into a full-body workout, leaving you more frustrated than refreshed. Or maybe you've tried to prune your favorite rosebush, only to discover your old rusty shears barely cut through the stems. Your hands ache from squeezing the stiff handles, and your plants end up looking more battered than beautiful. These kinds of frustrations are so common that many of us just accept them as an unavoidable part of gardening. We sigh, shrug, and tell ourselves, that's just how it is. We keep dragging around those heavy, unwieldy hoses and keep using manual shears that have seen better days, convinced there's no better way to get the job done. It's what our parents and grandparents did, after all. But let's be honest, these old tools can really sap the joy out of gardening. Instead of feeling peaceful and connected to nature, you end up sweaty, tired, and sometimes even a little defeated. Gardening starts to feel less like a relaxing hobby and more like a never-ending battle. The physical strain can be especially tough for those with less strength or mobility. What should be a source of happiness and pride can quickly become a dreaded chore, leaving you sore and exhausted long after you've finished. But what if it didn't have to be this way? Maybe it's time to question the old ways and open our minds to new possibilities. Innovation in gardening tools isn't about taking shortcuts. It's about making the experience better, safer, and more enjoyable for everyone. Imagine a hose so light you can carry it in one hand, that never kinks or tangles, and shears that cut cleanly with just the press of a button. These aren't just dreams. They're real solutions that can transform your time in the garden. Embracing these new tools isn't about being lazy or giving up on tradition. It's about working smarter, not harder, and saving your energy for the parts of gardening you truly love, like planting, nurturing, and watching your garden thrive. So let's welcome tools designed to help, not hinder, our gardening experience. After all, the best way to honor the old traditions is to make sure we can keep enjoying them for years to come, with a little help from modern innovation. Meet the Pocket Hose Copperhead, a revolutionary garden hose designed to make your outdoor chores easier and more enjoyable. Unlike traditional hoses that are bulky, heavy, and difficult to manage, this innovative hose expands to an impressive 50 feet when water flows through it, giving you the reach you need for any task. When you're done, it shrinks back down to a fraction of its size, making storage a breeze and freeing up valuable space in your garage or shed. Its lightweight, compact design means you'll never have to wrestle with a heavy, awkward hose again. Carrying it from one end of your yard to the other is effortless, and putting it away takes just seconds. No more winding, no more tangles, and no more frustration trying to fit a stiff hose onto a crowded shelf. The Pocket Hose Copperhead is built to last, featuring durable copper connectors that resist corrosion and provide a secure, leak-free fit every time. These tough metal fittings ensure your hose stays firmly attached to your faucet, so you can water your garden with confidence, knowing you won't be dealing with unexpected leaks or bursts. Gardeners everywhere appreciate its remarkable flexibility. The hose bends and twists easily around plants, pots, and corners, never kinking or tangling. This means you can move freely and water every part of your garden without having to stop and untangle knots, giving you back your independence and making gardening a truly relaxing experience. The included spray nozzle is another standout feature, offering multiple settings to suit every watering need. Whether you want a gentle mist for delicate seedlings or a powerful jet to clean your patio, you can easily adjust the nozzle with a simple twist, making it versatile for all your outdoor tasks. To keep your pocket hose in top condition, just let the water drain out completely before storing it. This simple step helps prevent mold and prolongs the life of the hose. Also, avoid dragging it over sharp surfaces or rough concrete to protect the outer layer and ensure it stays in great shape for years to come. With just a little care, this hose becomes a reliable partner that stands up to the changing seasons. Whether it's spring planting, summer watering, or autumn cleanup, the pocket hose is ready to help year after year. The freedom and convenience it provides are what gardeners rave about most. Imagine watering your garden without having to stop and wrestle with a tangled mess, or being able to move from flower bed to vegetable patch with ease. It's a small change that makes a big difference in your daily routine. Gone are the days of hoses getting caught under car tires or dragging a heavy, cumbersome hose across your yard. No more exhausting watering sessions that leave you frustrated and tired before you've even finished the job. The pocket hose glides smoothly around obstacles, easily maneuvering around bushes, pots, and garden furniture. Watering your plants becomes quick, efficient, and almost effortless, so you can focus on enjoying your garden instead of fighting with your tools. Real stories from gardeners show just how much a well-designed tool can transform your gardening routine. Many have shared how the pocket hose has made their gardens healthier and their lives easier, turning a once tedious chore into a pleasure. It's not just a hose, it's a time and energy saver. With the pocket hose, you'll spend less time setting up and putting away, and more time actually enjoying your garden and the outdoors. So go ahead, enjoy more of your garden and less of the hassle. With the Pocket Hose Copperhead, you're not just watering your plants, you're making your life simpler, your chores lighter, and your time outside more rewarding. The Pocket Hose Copperhead is just $29.99 for Prime Day, a small price for big convenience. Think of the time and frustration you'll save every time you water your garden. For less than a family dinner, you can upgrade your daily routine and make watering a pleasure. This is a deal gardeners are excited about. Replace that old leaky hose and enjoy your summer. What would you do with the extra time? Let us know in the comments. Now let's talk trimming. Meet the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Pruning Shears. Powered by a 20V battery, these shears cut through branches up to 1.5 inches thick with just a trigger pull. No more hand strain or jagged cuts, just clean, precise pruning. Non-stick blades resist sap and are easy to clean, while a built-in LED light helps you see every cut. Users with arthritis or hand pain say these shears make pruning fast and painless. Clean cuts heal faster and keep your plants healthier. Pruning becomes an art, not a chore, letting you shape your garden exactly as you envision. Work for hours without fatigue and tackle bigger projects with confidence. These shears empower you to care for your garden like a pro. Enjoy professional results and more time to appreciate your beautiful space. On Prime Day, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Pruning Shears are just $129, down from $179. The kit includes the tool, battery, and charger, everything you need to get started. DEWALT's reputation for durability means this is a smart, long-lasting investment. If you already own DEWALT tools, you'll love the battery compatibility. This tool saves time, effort, and opens up new possibilities for your garden projects. What pruning job have you been putting off? Share your story in the comments. Prime Day is Amazon's biggest sale for Prime members. Don't miss out. It's the perfect time to grab deals on essentials like the pocket hose, DEWALT shears, gloves, pop-up garden bags, and more. Little upgrades like a new trowel or solar lights can make a big difference in your gardening experience. Make a wish list and shop with intention to find the tools that will truly help you. Stock up now and enjoy a more joyful, efficient garden all season long. As we wrap up, remember, choosing the right tool can transform your gardening experience. The Pocket Hose Copperhead is perfect for those who want effortless, daily watering. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Pruning Shears are for gardeners ready to tackle bigger projects with ease. Each tool tells a different story, gentle efficiency or powerful precision. The right choice depends on your needs, or maybe you'll want both. Invest in tools that help you fall in love with your garden all over again. Are you Team Jose or Team Shears? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more home and garden tips. Like this video if you found it helpful, and check the description for Prime Day deals. Happy gardening!